Are you panicky with the level of low AMH in your blood reports? AMH is the anti-Mullerian hormone that is released from your eggs. It is the indicator of the balance of your eggs at that particular time. It doesn't indicate your chances of pregnancy at all. So even if your AMH is 0.2, you still have a fair chance of pregnancy.
Hagasni bakut ke dorbar mangtengka jongki yang dorbar tawan ke jela Meghalaya. UMLA ke seng kongres na kemelim constituency uba Roni Vilengdo ulawan ra ekamat yatai ke bedai bagi jingjur ke jingdeng kali ke bala pentut ikalet kawan jongki patba. Haba juba balor kania usembut menteri rang ba ke jela uba Preston Tensong ulapan pau ke jing sokya halor ke jingdeng kali ha apa Shillong. Baru ulong ba ke jingdeng kali ke lejur baha namar bakladon ke jingshna ban penhe ke surok. Ulong bagi pulit trafik elektris tom ban peduna ke jingdeng kali bat ban pentikna bagandon ke jingyat bet jengki kali. Uliatho belabo ya ki traffic police ha MES point Harilbong hagalat laimer ha apa Shillong bat hagalat nyo mer ha apa Shillong. Bat ki pulit kelas sedang trei ke kam joki naduk kepor nyo bejemen step aduk kepor kendai bejemen miet. Bat ki donru ki cap ba la penjelan ke jing trei jongki kat kum ke jing dawa ke kam. Nelor kania ubah Preston Tensong letho bagatanat pulet kalapan kala mentai kerkom terekam ha kebedai bat kejing dan kuna ya kito ki bapen ken ya ki an kebedai bag jingyat ki kali da kebapenan kam da ki ichalan kebapen stat kejing dan kuna ya ki bapen ken an.
So you can imagine the plight of school going children, people attending to their work, and after a whole day work, so they're not able to reach home. So since the Honorable Minister in charge home happens to be in charge the PWD road, sir, I think, sir, I would request this government because, as stated in this newspaper clipping, sir, people were stuck from evening till the next day, the morning. So, sir, this is not, one occasion. This has been happening almost every day, sir. Every day in this, people using this NH40, this stretch of the road, especially from Shirpi up to 7th mile Upper Shillong. And some students have even had to return back home because when they leave home at 7:30 in the morning to reach their school at 8:30, 9 o'clock, they're not able to reach. They're stuck halfway and then it's almost 9, 10 o'clock. So they're forced to come back and this will affect the studies of the children, affects everything, sir. And then people going to work, people going to the market, people going to the offices, and then of course we have doctors, nurses residing there in these areas of ours. And if they're stuck on the road, sir, they'll not be able to attend to their work, they'll not be attend to their duty. And imagine if doctors, nurses are required urgently. So if they're not able, it will not only affect those people trying to reach their place of work, it will affect people who need treatment. So, sir, I brought this because this has been going on for many, many years, sir. I would request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, to kindly expedite the four-laning of this work. And then in the meantime, sir, if, we can create some other arterial roads, like I suggested earlier, that if we can have a small road, sir, for small vehicles, a road to be utilized by small vehicles, at least to reach Lausotun, then it will, help. And then there is another road which has suggested through Mahadev Khola to go to Lausotun, and then of course widen this road through Mauklot, Umlinka, so then the vehicles can use these roads so that they need not use only this NH40 because the traffic there is very, very heavy. So you can imagine people coming from all over those parts of the state use only this road. This is the only lifeline to reach Shillong city and other parts of the state. So that's why I brought this very important calling attention notice for the government to expedite this four-laning. I understand, sir, in the course of reply in the earlier question and reply, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister said that the tendering process has been taken up again because there was only one bidder. And of course, as per rules and procedure, it is not permitted to allot the work to. So it's request the Deputy Chief Minister to take up seriously this matter so that the work is allotted and start immediately so that we can remove this problem of getting stuck on the road for hours on end, sir.
Sir, in addition to the regulation and management of traffic in these three crucial points, officials of the Long Dingri Traffic Branch also look after the management and regulation of traffic in other important junctions and stretches within its jurisdiction, as the daily density of vehicle, particularly within Long Dingri jurisdiction, is very high. The assistance of the flying squad is also being utilized to clear traffic congestion and to ensure smooth flow of traffic. Sir, again, the point raised by the honourable member from Malayam relating to creation of by-lanes or stop lanes. In fact, I've already given verbal order to the Chief Engineer of National Highway to see the possibility to explore the feasibility of having a stop lane connecting Upper Shillong up to Lao Sotun and disposal to Laban side. And this one, they are on the job. Once the feasibility report is submitted to the government, we will make sure that creation of stop lanes is required. And also other issues which the honourable member has mentioned. And last Friday, sir, 24th, I also had a review meeting with the officials of NHIDCL, the forest, again the PHE and ECL relating to shifting of utilities all along the stretch of this proposed 4-lane, which I've already given the direction that it should be completed by the end of April 2023, and I've instructed the NHIDCL officials also to speed up the process of retendering so that the work can be allotted to any company who became successful, and then the work should start smoothly. And ideally as possible, we would like to see that this 4-lane has to complete ideally as possible, and this will really help, sir, the traffic approach right from Peninsula side, Sora side or West Khasi side. It will help a lot to ease the traffic congestion in these areas. So with this few clarifications, sir, I resume my seat.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
You're late.
Don't just live life, maxify it.